Hi, welcome to ACCQ Continuing Professional Education. My name is Alfred Kinsay, and I'm going to take you to another session in our Accounting 101 series. This is under the topic Cash Flow from Investing Activities. This is actually the third part of that series. Previously, we talked about cash flow from operations. Now, this time I'm going to talk about cash flow from investing. Ano ba yung pagkakaiba nitong dalawa? Now, ito lang yung pagkakaiba. This is the simple explanation of the two. Pag operations, cash flow from operations, ito yung pangmabilisan. Pagka naman yung cash flow from investing, ito naman yung pangmatagalan. So kung gusto mong mabilis na pera, dun sa cash flow from operations. Doon naman yung pagka magmatagalan, pero pamalakihan, doon sa cash flow from investing. There are 4 typical transactions in a cash flow from investing. Incidentally, if you want to review or if you want to watch the video of our first or the previous video before this one, yung cash flow from operating, there's a link below that which you can watch after this, of course. Investing, of course, there's one. Number 1 is from sale and payment of property, plant, and equipment. Now, the simple explanation for this is that, halimbawa, bumili ka ng building worth 1 million. Then after 3 years, binenta mo siya after mong pinaayos. Ito yung mga nauuso, yung mga build and sell. Now, naibenta mo ng 1.5 million. Yung 1.5 million na yun, that is a cash inflow. Pero bago nun, syempre, bago mo ibenta, binili mo muna yung building. Hindi mo naman mabibenta yung isang bagay or yung building na yun kung hindi mo, let's say, na-acquire muna, whether pinamana sa'yo or nabili mo. So, yung assuming na binili mo yun, for 1 million, yung 1 million na yun, yung pinakapuhunan mo, that is a cash outflow from investment. Say, after 3 years, naibenta mo yun for 1.5 million, yung perang pumasok na 1.5 million, that is a cash inflow from the sale of the property or widely known as the investment. The next one is investment in equity / long-term debt. Example, let's say your company wants to invest stocks kay San Miguel Corporation, kay SMC. Of course, before you can invest, magbabayad ka muna. Let's say for 1 million. So you allotted 1 million to buy shares of SMC for 1 million. So yung 1 million na yun, that is a cash outflow from investment. And then, let's say after 3 years, tumaas yung market value ng stocks. Let's say from 1 million, naging 3 million siya. So yung 3 million na nakuha mo, yung proceeds ng sale, assuming it's 3 million, that is a cash inflow from investment. By the way, yung long-term debt, if you don't, let's say if you are risk averse o hindi ka masyadong risk taker pagdating sa mga investments, pwede ka namang mag-investment as in the capacity of a creditor, para ka nagpautang, kumbaga investment in bonds. In other words, meron kang matatanggap na periodic payment from the interest of yung debtor company. Ikaw kasi yung creditor. So we're going to talk about more on that in the future. This time, the third one is the loans or advances to other companies other than financial institutions. So, let's say si Jollibee Corporation, no, nagpautang dun sa company, dun sa isang company. That is considered as loans or advances. No, yung pinautang niya, let's say for 1 million, no, that is a cash outflow. Pag binayaran na siya, then that is a cash inflow. The last one is from futures or forward contracts. So this last one is also a cash flow from investment. So for futures and forward contracts, ito yung may predetermined price. Kumbaga, so for example, dun sa futures contract, no, you enter into a futures contract with another company, no, it's like nakikipag-ano ka, meron na kayong pinagkasundo ang presyo na kung tumaas o bumaba man yan, at least meron kayong napagkasunduan na. Parang ganun din dito sa forward contract. Let's say for example, you want to buy an equipment abroad, let's say in the US, for $10,000. No, so at this time, ang presyo niya is $10,000. Let's say after 6 months, nagkaroon ng fluctuation dun sa dollar, no, tumaas yung presyo niya. So kung bibilin mo dito sa Philippines yun, hindi na siya $10,000, baka mas mataas-taas na, baka 10,500 na. Now, entering into a forward contract will somehow peg or magkakaroon siya ng presyo na predetermined, na dinetermine niya na at a spot rate. No, so pwede mo siyang bilhin, no, regardless kung sa ganung presyo, regardless kung magtaas pa yung presyo niya. So these are just examples of cash flow from investment. If you have any comments or questions, you may write your comment below. Before that, subscribe and share this channel. And peace, stay at home, God bless.